U.S. healthcare provider Kaiser Permanente recently disclosed a security incident that may have leaked personal information of around 13.4 million current and former patients. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. According to Kaiser, certain online tracking technologies were previously installed on their websites and mobile apps. When patients accessed their digital properties, it allowed third parties like Google, Microsoft, and Twitter to collect usage data transmitted from the sites. The types of data captured included IP addresses, names, details on account sign-ins, how users navigated the sites, and even search queries from Kaiser's health encyclopedia. This information was then shared through vast advertiser and data broker networks. Now commonly, trackers only collect anonymous usage data. However, in this case, the data was personally identifiable information because it could be linked to health records since patients were signed into their Kaiser accounts. While thankfully no known cases of misuse have emerged so far, experts warn this kind of detailed profile. Data certainly increases risks if it ends up in the wrong hands. The organization stated social security numbers, financial details, and credit cards were not part of the exposure. But other types of sensitive health and identity information were made accessible to third parties without patient consent. Kaiser says they've since removed the trackers and implemented measures to prevent reoccurrence after discovering the issue through an internal review. They'll also directly notify the millions affected through what they call an abundance of caution. This comes after a prior Kaiser breach last June exposed information on 69,000 people through an employee email hack. Clearly, online tracking practices are raising serious privacy and security concerns when it comes to sensitive healthcare data. This latest massive exposure serves as an important reminder of the real-world risks of lax data policies, even if no known harm has occurred yet. Overall, it's a sobering case study in the need for tighter medical industry cybersecurity and privacy standards. As technology grows more sophisticated, medical organizations must implement stronger protections for patient data, circulating both within and outside their own systems. It really comes down to how well you protect sensitive information. That's why we've partnered with Stonefly to help our viewers beef up their security posture. And the best part? Stonefly is now offering a special promotion on their backup and disaster recovery solutions exclusively for Daily Security Review subscribers. Get a 70 terabytes air-gapped and immutable Veeam, Rubrik, Commvault Site Recovery, Backup and Disaster Recovery Appliance for $7,995. Email sales at stonefly.com for details and mention Daily Security Review to claim your promo. Links are in the description below. That's all for now, but stay tuned for more updates on ongoing data breaches and ransomware incidents. In the meantime, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.